Instagram has added a few new features to DMs, and one of them is the ability to translate messages. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to translate text in Instagram DMs. Now let's get started. To translate a message you've received on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your inbox. Open the conversation with the message you want to translate. Hold down the message bubble you want to translate, then select Translate. The message will be automatically translated into the language your Instagram app is set to. The translation will appear below the original message text. That's all it takes to translate text in Instagram DMs. Want to try another new DM feature? Check out this tutorial to learn how to share music in DMs. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.